Okay, welcome back to the channel everyone. Brief nature video. This is the Galahs checking out a nest for springtime. You can see the Galah excavating, so this is going to be its future nest unless another more dominant bird steals it from them. But yeah, really beautiful day in Canberra today. We've got some balmy spring conditions even though we're still winter. Probably be about 18 degrees or thereabouts, 18 degrees Celsius. So really nice. Galahs here are one of Australia's cockatoo species. I can't remember, is it Australia's got either 14 or 16 cockatoo species. Galahs are really nice. Females have pinkish reddish eyes and the males have black eyes. So that's the male on the bottom right and the female on the top left. So yeah, they'll be excavating the nesting hollow, and in a few months' time they'll probably be revving up to rear one or two chicks maybe. Okay, God bless you everyone. I'll catch you later. Bye bye.